What happens to you when the AI bubble pops? It is a normal Tuesday morning. You check your phone and you see your retirement account is down. Not a little down, a lot down. You did not do anything wrong. You did not gamble on some random stock. You just had a normal retirement account, the same kind everyone has told you to set up. Turns out a huge chunk of it was quietly tied to a handful of AI companies you never even picked yourself. And now those companies are worth half of what they were worth last year. This is not a random scary story. This is what actually happens when a bubble this size pops. And today we are walking through it step by step so you understand exactly what happens to your money, your job, and your life when it does. Let's start with the money. Part 1. Your retirement account was never as safe as you thought. Most people do not pick individual stocks. They put money into index funds because that is what every finance guy on the internet tells you to do. Sounds safe, spread out, diversified. Except right now, a small handful of AI companies make up a massive chunk of those index funds. So when people say the market is up, what they usually mean is a few giant AI companies are up. Your safe, boring, diversified retirement account is a lot less diversified than you think. Picture a basket of 10 eggs. 9 of them are from different farms. One giant egg takes up more space than all 9 others combined. If that one egg cracks, it does not matter how many small eggs you had. Your basket is a mess either way. Part 2. Jobs disappear before the headlines even mention a crash. When a bubble like this pops, it does not start with mass layoffs on the news. It starts quiet, hiring freezes. A department that suddenly stops replacing people who leave. A contractor whose contract just does not get renewed this quarter. Think about the guy who spends 2 years building his career around one booming industry. He does everything right. He learns the skills. He gets the job. Then the industry that hired him slows down and suddenly his specific skill set is not in demand anymore. Not because he did anything wrong, because the wave he was riding stopped. That is what happens across entire cities built around a boom. Real estate, restaurants, local shops, all quietly built on one industry's paychecks. When the paychecks shrink, the whole town feels it, not just the people who worked at the company. Part 3. Debt makes it so much worse. Some people did not just invest normally. They borrowed money to invest more because the gains looked too good to pass up. That works great when prices go up, but it is brutal when prices go down. Because now you owe money on an investment that is worth less than what you paid. And the bill does not care that the market crashed. Multiply that across thousands of regular people who took out loans, maxed out credit, or dipped into savings to chase the boom, and you get a much deeper hole than just falling stock prices. Before I show you what they knew that you didn't, this is exactly the kind of thing most people never get shown until it's too late. If you want to keep getting let in early, that's what subscribing to this channel does. So here's the part that stings the most. While all of this is happening to regular people, the wealthiest investors are not panicking. Many of them are not even losing sleep over it. Why? Because a lot of them already moved their money out months before any of this became public news. Not because they are psychic, not because they broke any rules. They were simply watching different information than everyone else. Information that was sitting out in public the entire time. Most people just never learned to read it. They saw specific warning signs long before the headlines caught up. Executives quietly selling off stock, banks getting stingy with loans, certain market signals flipping in ways that almost always show up before a downturn. So while your retirement account was taking the hit, they were already positioned somewhere safer, sometimes even getting ready to buy everything back cheap once the dust settled. That is not luck, but rather a completely different playbook, one that most people never even know exists. So what exactly are they watching that you're not? That is exactly what we are covering next. Every signal the wealthy actually track before a crash hits, explained in plain, simple terms. Go check that video next, because once you see what they see, you will never look at a downturn the same way again.